To install UltraViewer, the TechAd Support will provide you with a download link. Once your file is downloaded, depending on the browser that you're using, you will be either able to find the downloads over here. If you cannot find it here, then you can also go to your file explorer, go to your downloads, and then you can see the file over here. You have to open the file, allow all the permissions, click next, 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 install. And just wait for the application to install. Once it's installed, you can launch it right from here. Once you click on finish, next you will see your ID and your password over here. This is what you have to share with the TechAd Support for them to connect remotely to your computer.